All right, here's your trig class. It's your boy. Whatever. All right, so now listen up. I'm going to try and get through this as quickly as possible because this needs to be done. And so you could have time with your calculator today. Now, love your calculator. It does so much for you. All right, 6.4. All right, solve right here. 3 cosine 2x for x, where x is restricted to the interval of 0 to pi over 2. Now, if you paid attention previously, what's the first thing you have to identify?
Yeah, it has to go to 0, right?
It's got to go equal 0. Is this one going to be equal to 0?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, it's equal to 0. But what else is given to me?
The pi over 2, which makes it radians.
Okay, your answer has to be in radians.
It also has to be that.
Okay, it has to be. So your answer is going to be in radians. But now, I want you to pay close attention. Is there restriction? I normally do 0 to 360, right?
Yeah.
What's the difference now?
Or at least up to 1 quadrant.
1 quadrant, right? So that's going to be quadrant 1. So where would I add that information? Where? Where does that affect my calculator?
The graph, right?
Has to do with the graph, but where does it affect it?
What are we talking about?
Okay, here's a hint. Little John. From the windows. So that's where I change here because that is a restriction now. We normally, my window is from what to what?
0 to 60.
And now, in this case right here, it's going to be?
0 to pi over 2.
Not pi over 2.
0 to 90.
0 to 90. What was the trick? The trick every single time is what? Degrees. Shut up. It's got to be in degrees. That wasn't the trick. The trick was not necessary. All right, so let's go ahead, fix it. You picked up your calculator. What is the thing that you, everyone, did?
Menu 4-1.
Not sure it's in degrees.
Clear your scratch pad.
Okay, clear the scratch pad.
Yeah.
Okay, because you don't know what these other people's been doing.
I don't know what mine does.
Oh, wait, no, it's Doc B.
Doc B from your scratch pad, right?
Yeah.
Doc B from the scratch pad. You're going to make sure that one's done and taken care of. So, then I'm going to change my window. Scratch pad, right here. 3 cosine 2x. Is it cosine? No, it is, yeah, 3 cosine 2x. 3 cosine. You tell me. Do I have to add the degree?
No, for the window. Yes.
Okay, I add the degree here. And he was asking right here.
In the window.
For the window, do you need it for the window?
No.
What's the trick to this all the time? Force it to go to degrees, right? So my window, now that I entered this, my window's from where to where?
0 to 90.
0 to 90. Hit menu, window, 0 to 90. Now, here's my question. Can it be 90? You say yes. Why do I say yes, it could be 90?
Because it's not consistent. It's like,
It's pi over 2.
Because the bracket means
I heard it. Bracket.
bracket, yeah.
Bracket. It could equal pi over 2.
Yes.
Bracket says it could equal pi over 2, right?
Yeah.
So, I got my answers. Parentheses, it means it's not equal to. Going back to my calculator. Hit menu. It's graph 0, 45 degrees. Now, 45 degrees is not my answer, is it?
no.
Okay, so it's 45 degrees. Because you have to convert that to radian. So multiply by pi over 180. Make sense? Solve 2 arc sine x equals pi. What do you got to do with this thing right here? Minus pi, right? So it should be 2 arc sine of x degrees minus pi equals 0. Wait, what?
Wait, you just like.
And then that gets plugged into the calculator.
Oh, wait, what?
Wait for 1 second.
It ends on it. Wait, doesn't it?
Wait, what was the answer for me?
Okay, let's just see.
That's all.
Yeah.
There were multiple. You don't know past 90?
No, it's only to 90, remember? Because that's what we changed our window.
Do it tonight.
So tab,
I thought that's the only way.
go up, clear my old one.
Yeah.
And what's it say? 2 arc sine x. 2 arc sine x degrees minus pi, right? There you go. Hit enter. Now, crap. Right here. Dang it. Messed this one up. Here it is. Okay, so change the window. I want everyone to take a look at your blue paper, the reference sheet that I gave you.
Then we gotta get up there.
Please take it out. Everybody's got to get it out.
Damn now.
All right, now that we got that thing out, go to the table. The one that says inverse. What is going to be the range of the inverse? So, let's see. Range of the inverse of sine should be from what? Okay, see the one with the unit circle. Look at the unit circle. Everybody, look at the unit circle. Now, shift your gaze to the right. On the unit circle, move your eyes to the right. Yes, negative pi over 2 to what? But since my trick with the calculator only works when? In where? In degrees. So therefore, it's going to be negative what? Negative 90
90 and 90.
to positive 90. Thank you. Negative 90 to positive 90. Hit OK.
Is it Y max?
No, it's the top one.
Because Y X. Seven pi over 22. Is that right?
wonder if I can make it. Let's see if I could actually do this. See, change this to be 4. Let's go 5. See if that helps. 5, and then 5 decimals. Then I go. 57 point. Huh? Go ahead. 57.29578. Let me see. Right there.
Next one, so it's 2958.
2958?
Yeah.
Oh, did I write it wrong?
It still should be.
Messed up. Scape. There we go. 2958?
Yeah.
So I got 57.3.
7 over 22 is still going to get you the same thing as 57.3.
Let me see. File. Crap. Number. Why is this not liking me today? All right, take a go there. Menu, doc. No, it's number. It's number. Why key and doc. Scape. All right, menu, number.
That's fighting.
I know this thing just does not like me today. All right, so what do you come up with? So I got a decimal, but it's not coming close to it.
You gotta erase all those numbers in the fraction thing and replace it with 1. I do not know why it gives you all those numbers.
What?
Approximate fraction 5.e minus 14. That will get you something that's not your answer.
Yeah,
Oh, no. This is approximate of this. So this gives you, so then it goes times pi. Yeah, that seems right. No, that is. So anyway, all right, so let's take a look.
Yeah, it seems right.
All right, did you guys all get this nasty thing right here?
Yeah.
All right. Where did my class capture go? There it is. Okay. So only one person's logged in, that's why. Oh, that's why. I never started it, so I couldn't see what you guys are at. Okay. So then I go class capture, that's why. I know. Sorry. Okay, so now, okay, Narwhal, help me out. What does the note say the answer is?
Pi. Pi. Solution set 1?
What example are we on? The example 2.
Yeah. It says solution set 1. Wait, x equals 1 and pi equals pi?
Are we looking at the same one? I know, that's why I showed you guys this.
It says x equals 1.
Yeah, x.
Why do you just say backwards? Let's just go like this. First time I've already used smart word.
I don't use it all the time, but I use smart words.
There's another smart word
It is like that, but I'm trying to.
It's supposed to be 57.3, right?
Yeah.
Why are you coming up with my recommendations?
Oh, crap! I know why now. Ah. Watch this. Watch. You guys figure it out now. No, because this is arc sine. I totally forgot. The trick is. Because each one of these are the trick. I'll show you. Menu. Let's go trace. And enter 0. There's my pi. Now I got negative pi. Dang it! Okay, so this is what it is for all those people on YouTube, that one person that actually watched the video. Good job. I did it by hand. Okay, it comes up here. And I know that there's a way to do in the calculator. I'm just trying to remember what it is. There is a neat, nifty little trick for this. No. So trying to remember this one. So give me a second. By the time I'm ready for this notes, I'll be like, oh yeah, I got this. Involving inverse rate functions for this one right here. So it's saying that where these two are going to be equal, so inverse sine x. So this one right here has my variable. This one right here has my numbers. So that's my triangle. Sine is 1 over 2. And this one right here is going to be Pythagorean theorem. What are we going to get for the bottom? Rad 3? Rad 3? Okay, so it's going to be 1 squared plus x squared equals 2 squared. X squared is 4 minus 1 is 3. Radical 3. And in this one right here, it's asking for where is cosine for this one right here. So since that's going to be that, then cosine there, where is it going to be positive rad 3 over 2, which is going to be looking for the angle. Where's cosine rad 3 over 2 is going to give me what? I believe that one's going to be at positive pi over 6 or 30 degrees, 60 degrees.
So cosine
I know there's a way to do it on the calculator, and it's so much quicker and so much easier. Because I know this is not the easiest thing to do.
That's not me that time. That's not me.
What's the example of this? This is example 3, right? So x cosine, oh no, it's just asking for this one. So I know that this is, so it's rad 3 over 2 is the answer on this one. So these are the places in which that your angle is going to be that, but it's just going to be rad 3 over 2 because from this triangle it's asking for that.
You missed.
Gotta hold up the ground, bro.
Or down again.
Push
Hold
up
up.
the floor.
Push up.
Push down.
This thing right here is making me so mad. I'm trying.
Usa.
Look at the video.
Yeah, look at your own video. Maybe get one more view.